DepEd clarifies that science will remain a subject in schools. This clarification followed reports that the science subject will be dropped from the school curriculum. Assistant Coordinator to K-12 program, Iya Oliva, stressed they have not issued any announcement that the science subject will be dropped from the curriculum this coming school year.
Ini-introduce siya sa grade 3. Pero sa grade 1 and 2, and actually simula kinder pa lang, meron nang tayong mga konsepto at proseso ng science na naka-integrate sa ibang subjects. Ngayon, ito na yung disenyo ng ating curriculum since 1983. So wala po tayong tinanggal ngayong taon o sa susunod na taon. Patuloy yung ginagawa namin na reforma. Actually, hindi lang sa curriculum ang ginagawang reforma ng DepEd. Tatlo yung actually na tinutugunan natin. Una, yung resources. Pangalawa ay yung teacher development. At tatlo ay yung ang curriculum. At parte nitong curriculum ay yung enhanced basic education program natin.